So hello students, this is Vishwas Pudale and today we are going to see the lectures based on building drawing and the topic is 2-point perspective. In yesterday we have seen one simple example. Now you can see in your question paper, see this question paper is for I scheme, right? 70 marks paper for civil engineering. In this question paper we have this last question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is, as you can see, the question is a plan and elevation of a simple staircase as shown in figure, right? A plan and elevation of simple staircase as shown in figure. Number 2, draw suitable scale, the perspective view of it, retain all constant lines. मीन्स ये जो कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइंस जो भी रहेगा ना इसका, जो बनाते वक्त अपन ड्रॉ करेंगे, we should not erase those lines, right? So as you can see this object, right? See the dimensions are here. They have given one note, all dimensions are in meters. All dimensions are in meter. Take observation level 1.5 meter above the ground level. Take observation level 1.5 meter above the ground level. Elevation and plan they are given. This plan is at an angle of 30 degree with the picture plane. You please observe this dimension and accordingly you select a proper scale. So here, as you can see here, 1 meter, 1 meter, 0.0. I will select scale, that is 1:100 scale I will select. That means 1:100 means this is how much? 1000 meter. So I'll explain this. In our drawing, this dimension is 1000 meter, right? Sorry, 1 meter, that is 1000 mm, or is equal to 100, or it is equal to 100 centimeter. So by selecting a scale 1:100, that means this 1 meter become 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to how much? This is what? 1 meter. 1:100 is a scale, that is 1 centimeter. That is how this conversion take place. So that is 100, 1 meter is what? 100 centimeter, right? So 100 into 1 upon 100. Your answer is 1 centimeter. In our drawing, 1 meter is equal to 1 centimeter with the scale of 1:100. 0.5 meter is equal to 0.5 centimeter. 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So like that we'll select our dimensions. I think this point is clear, right? 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 centimeter. I think this point is very clear. So we'll start for drawing. So now I'll erase this. So elevation and plan they have given. So first we'll draw picture plane. add this flash is off. So now first we'll draw picture plane. I'll write here PP, that is picture plane. Next I'll locate one reference point, because on picture plane I have to construct this plan, right? This plan I have to construct. So first I will locate one point. After that I'll take protector. This angle is 30 degree, 30, and this opposite angle is 60 degree. Right, so now you can see the dimensions. This is 2 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 0.5 and 0.5 meter. So this is 2 meter. I will take here 2 centimeter. Next dimensions are 1 meter, 1 meter, 0.5 and 0.5. Right, then draw exactly, use, it is better if you use ruler scale, then draw parallel line to this. Right, and after that you can erase the extra portion. So this is complete, this is what complete plan, right? The dimension will write later on. Remember, this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. As it is a rectangle, so included angle is 90 degree. In question they are given only this angle 30 degree, where here is our question paper, sample question of building drawing. So this is our drawing. In question they are given only this angle and these dimensions, so that we have to understand the included angle of this rectangle is 90 degree and opposite angle is 60 degree. So this is the plan. After that we'll take suitable distance and mark here, because this distance is not given, and we'll mark here ground level. Say it is at a distance of 6 meters. At a distance of 6 meters. take close, otherwise our projection will go outside our page. So it is 4, right? So after that we'll draw here which line? We'll draw here ground level. So this is what ground level is. Ground level. Next, they are not given a position of, they are not given anywhere the position of observer or position of station point, right? So we'll assume that station point is here on ground level itself, right? In next example they clearly mention, as you can see, I'll explain in next lecture. So this is our station point, right? Next, after that we'll locate eye level. As you can see here in this question, take observation level, मतलब जहाँ से observer देख रहा है, that is eye level 1.5 meter below above ground level. So 1.5 meter above, that means 1.5 means 1.5 centimeter, right? I'll mark one more point to get a straight line. So this is what eye level is. So this is eye level. EL, eye level. See now how to proceed for this question. So this is, remember, this is what station point. First we'll draw parallel line to this width, right? And next parallel line to this length, right here. So you are getting 2 points here on picture plane, right? So you project and draw straight vertical lines, draw straight vertical line from picture plane. You will get here a right hand. What you will get? Right hand, vanishing point, right hand. And similarly, by projecting this point here, you will get left hand vanishing point, left hand, VLH and VRH. So we'll construct our object, that is elevation is remaining. As you can see, this is elevation, this length is 3 meter and height you can see here, step height 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 and 1.5. So we'll construct this elevation here. So the length is 3 meter. Always you have to construct that elevation on ground level. So this is 3 meter. This height is also 3 meter. This height is also 3 meter. This height is also 3 meter. We'll take steps. So initially is 0.5, 0.5, next it is 1, again it is 0.5, again it is 1. While drawing this, you have to compare with the top view, that is, you can see here, this is 1, 1, 0.5, 0.5, right? This is length. In elevation, this is length and this is height. Here is a step of 0.5. After that 0.5, and this is rise to top. So here is a complete elevation. जैसे दिया है वैसे आपको ड्रॉ करने का है, no change. But while constructing this, you have to compare this dimension. See, most of the students get confused how much we have to take this. So for this, you have to understand this projection is here. So that is 1 meter. So this is also 1 meter. This is 0.5. Again, you can see here, next again is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter. Again 0.5, and this is how much? Yes, it is 0.5, 0.5, 1.5, and again last is 0.5. So like that you have to construct this elevation. Clear? So next, so first you join this station point to left hand vanishing point and right hand vanishing point. Right? So now here we have to take some precautions because our drawing here, as you can see, very carefully we will add projections. First we will start with this edge, straight vertical edge, right? So we'll take projection of that edge. So this is that edge, height is 0.5 meter. Next we'll mark this length. This is length, as you can see, this length is here. So you joined this end point to station point, means you have to take reference for this line and you have to project this point up to picture plane line. Remember, extend up to picture plane line, and after that draw straight vertical line and extend this point to here, right hand vanishing point. Right, you will get this point. So this is the length and this is height. Right, next to mark width, again take a reference station point and this width point. As you can see, this is width, so this is the reference point and station point. We'll project this dimension to picture plane, and again with this straight vertical line, right, we'll take projection of this on left hand vanishing point in this line. So this is width. So up to this stage we got these three dimensions, these three elements. One is this, second one is this, and third one is this. So first we'll complete length, and after that we'll mark width, right? So let us move to next point. This we'll target this point. The procedure is same. Station point and that point project to picture plane. After that draw straight vertical line. So before drawing this line we have to mark this point, because this point is here, right? This point is here, right? We'll draw this line. This line is exactly going to right hand vanishing point. So we'll first join this point to a right hand vanishing point. As you can see, can you see? Yes, a right hand vanishing point. Right, now you project this point to that line. So this is the point. Now we got this line here. After that mark this height. Next target is this line. So you just draw, take reference height right. So this is your line, straight vertical. You don't directly mark to the here. You first joint this point to your vanishing point. And after you mark, fix it this point, right? So ये लाइन हो गया यहाँ पे. अभी हम मूव करेंगे दिस लाइन की तरफ, ये लाइन की तरफ मूव करेंगे. We'll see this line. So end point of that line is here, as you can see in plan. This point is here. So again we'll project or join that point to station point, right? Draw straight vertical line, right? So this is our next line. Right, now next line is this. So take projection of its height to up to center line. Join this point to our vanishing point. Right, next extend this point up to that height, right? So this height get complete. Our next target is this line, right? So this is the width of that line or length of that line. Again we'll mark this point and station point. We'll take reference up to picture plane, then draw parallel straight vertical line. Right, What is this line, right? This line is here. Now the next target is this straight vertical line. Take projection of that straight vertical line. Now mark that point to our vanishing point, right hand vanishing point, right? As you can see, for this we have this straight vertical line here. Clear? So this is what this line is. Next target is this length. As you can see, we directly have projection of this, right? So like that, you can see here we completed our plan, elevation from this direction in perspective way, right? Now here we just have to add width for this perspective projections. Now you just see this, how we'll add width. Step by step we'll move. First we'll join this point to our left hand vanishing point. Right, so this step get complete. Right, next we'll join this point to our left hand vanishing point. Means here, while projecting this dimension, you must have to observe that observer position is here. Observer position and observers looking in this direction. So like that, you are getting vanishing point here, right? So join this point, this corner point, to your right hand vanishing point. So this is the next step. Right, next target is this point. We'll join this point to our left hand vanishing point. By joining left hand vanishing point, you are getting width, right? And then draw straight vertical line from this point. Right. For the next step, you join this corner point to your right hand vanishing point. Almost it is horizontal, even though we'll try to draw it. And from this point, join this point to your left hand vanishing point. This projection is almost horizontal, so it is very difficult to locate. Right, so and then from this corner point you draw straight vertical line, join this point to your left hand vanishing point. So you must stop here. after that join this point to your right hand vanishing point. Again it is horizontal. Join this point to your left hand vanishing point. You are getting intersection here. यहाँ पे बीच में मतलब पीछे की तरफ आपको उसका इंटरसेक्शन मिल रहा है. So from that point you just draw straight vertical line, right? Then draw this point to your left hand vanishing point. As you can see, here this object get complete, right? So like that you have to proceed, right? So this is what our answer is, solution for this question. And see, the weightage for this question is almost 12 marks, right? This is very simple. At least you can start and step by step you can move. You'll get this answer. See, next question. In this question, right, this question you try as a homework. So in next lecture we will meet with this, and this is for 8 marks. In this question they are given, that is station point. This is what station point. See, station point distance they are given 4.7 meter along central line. Means from this point you have to locate 4.7 meter station point. In this question the station point distance is not given, so we have directly taken that point here. And in addition to that, eye level is at 2.1 meter above the ground level. Means eye level जो भी है वो यहाँ से 2.1 मीटर above the ground level है, राइट? तो इस तरह आपको ये जो ड्राइंग रहेगा ना, इसके लिए प्रोसीड करने का है. सो थैंक यू.